Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Fiverr account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and no longer use Fiverr. Maybe you're over it and you don't like the company or such thing. How do you actually go ahead and deactivate your Fiverr account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Fiverr app. Next, click on the profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner. From here, go ahead and click on account, and then where it says deactivation and deletion, you want to go ahead and click on that. From here, you'll go ahead and select the correct button to go ahead and deactivate your account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and deactivate your Fiverr account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.